to show you step by step on how to open a TikTok foreign account wherever you are, especially if you're in Nigeria, as we all know that TikTok is not monetized in Nigeria and so many other countries. So it's just few countries that has been monetized. So for you to be able to get paid for your content, okay, you need a foreign TikTok account. So today I'm going to show you how to open a UK TikTok account, a foreign TikTok account that can be easily monetized and you get paid for your content. So first off, we need a VPN. Go to your Google Play Store and type Thunder VPN. Okay, so look at it here, Thunder VPN. I already have it. In your own case, if you don't have it, just download it, hit on download, but I already have it, so I'll just click on open. Now when you click open, this icon here, you open it and select the country you want United Kingdom, and that I have selected and it's already connected. So for you to know if this is working properly for you, what you do is to go to your Google Chrome and type and ask, where is my location now? Let's see. Okay, yeah, you can see my location, my IP is showing United Kingdom. Okay, so it shows that it's working. Now what to do next? Now go to your Chrome again and type TikTok sign up. Now, so they say open TikTok. You click on not right now. Okay, now you have to open a TikTok account. Either you use your Google account that you have not used before to open a TikTok account, or you just input another email entirely. You continue with your Google, whichever one, but make sure it's email that you have not used before. Let me just use my Google. So I'm going to select my Google email instead of me going to in your own case. You just use, if you don't want to use your Google, you just use your email and make sure that you have not used it before. Okay, so now date of birth, just solve the puzzle. Select two images that are of the same shape. This is just a puzzle. You just solve the puzzle. Let's redo that. Select two objects that are of the same shape and confirm. Now that is done. Now you input your username. So I'm done with my username, so I click on sign up. So here my UK TikTok account has been opened. Okay, now you can say open TikTok app. I can open it from here, or say not now, then I go directly to my TikTok to log out my previous TikTok and log in this one. So let me just open it from here. Now I have logged into my new TikTok account. So let's now check if this is truly a UK account that we just opened. So click on these lines here, click on setting, click on account, click on account info. Now look at it, UK account. This is United Kingdom account. So this is how you're going to do your own. Just follow the steps. So when they ask you to now open app account, either you open it straight or you just go back. In fact, just go back to your TikTok. Okay, switch your account, go to settings and switch your account, or log out from your previous account and log into your new account. So this is how to create a foreign TikTok account if you're in a country where TikTok is now monetized. So guys, thank you so much for coming this far, and do check out my other videos to learn valuable things like this. Also, thank you guys, and see you on the next one.